Goldman Sachs, they have increased their year-end target from 2890 to 3100, and they are saying if Trump tariff war continue, then price can go up to 3300. If you read the research note carefully, year end means the December 2025 COMEX contract. So high this week is 3073, their number is 3100, price technically almost there. So more tariff mean more high price, 3300. If everything stop right here, like Trump tariff war and Fed rate pause, and now they are talking about stopping QT, then price can stay near 3100 till end of the year. So December 2025 COMEX contract, different chart, you can see different price action, different price level, high 3073, while spot is still trading below $3,000, and crowd FOMO buying with TP $3,000. So they are giving COMEX target, and while you are trading on spot, so be careful. So number one is Trump tariff. If tariff war continue, price will go up to 3300 according to bank. But somebody have to explain 3% CPI number. Either Fed become more hawkish or Trump stop its trade war. But since that PPI number, Trump is not doing that tariff drama. Secretly, he is panic on inflation, maybe delaying tariff for future plan. And Russia peace news. If that happen, there will be so many deals, some public, some hidden, and world go back to normal like old days. Russia go back to G7 country. Then BRICS trade unwind. It will affect everything. Be careful. Oil, gold, dollar, US Treasury. It will affect everything. And Trump want to audit their gold reserve, Fort Knox. Or in simple term, if you say last week of February and first week of March, every year historically something big happen and it change everything, politics and economics forever. So Trump, Russia war news and Fort Knox gold audit, these three things, these news can come anytime, any day. But next 2 weeks, last week of February, first week of March, there will be big price action. So this is COMEX chart after price going up to 3073. Either it makes sideways correction or counter trend correction back to 2800 price on spot chart. Because since August 2020, this is first time every weekly candlestick going up until price make correction, either a sideways or counter trend correction. Fed rate pause will continue. They are stopping QT. Maybe they are hitting the limit of reserve system. Let's see what happen next. And 3% inflation forcing Trump to stop the trade war. So let's see what happen next. If everyone become mad, Fed cut and Trump start trade war, spot price will break out about 2940. If they all panic secretly, price ready to make correction, then spot price can return back to 2800.